Now, SEO can be scary to some people, but it's not. And it's actually really, really easy to implement correctly. And basically, SEO means search engine optimization. And search engines like Google use a couple rules and techniques to match the searcher with the best search result. And so if you format and you lay out your website in a way that is, again, intentional and strategic, you will naturally show up better in search engine results. And here are a couple ways to do it. Make sure you put alt text in all of your images. And what alt text is it is a way to describe what that image is. And if you put your brand in there, when somebody searches your brand, they can find that image on Google Images. Another way to implement proper SEO is to write blog pieces that are relevant to the topics that people could be searching for to try to find you. So if you are a hair salon, you'd be writing about hair salon techniques, and you're naturally putting in those terms when somebody's looking for a perm. In your blog post, maybe you've written a little bit about what is a perm and what are the do's and don'ts of getting a perm, but you're naturally saying those keywords that somebody would be searching, and that's how you're going to show up. Another thing that shows the health of a website is it's called backlinks, right? And what this is it means that you are relevant on the internet because other people are referencing you and you are referencing other people. And so getting put on other people's blogs is a great way to build those backlinks because it shows your relevance in this entire internet community. And so having other people write about you is great. So collaborating with, blog writers or newspapers, that's just one aspect of SEO building. Now, another is to go into all your pages and make sure that, you have properly formatted the search bar. And so on Shopify, at the bottom of a page, you can edit the SEO and you can edit the page title that comes up on Google, and just editing those with intention and making sure that they're proper and that they are what you want them to be, that goes a long way. And so you can also put a description to that page, and those things will only help you. So spending a little bit of time to make sure that you have alt text and that you have descriptions and that you've got blog posts that are talking about the relevant topics, that's a great way to get started on having a great SEO. Some other tactics for good SEO are mobile optimization, making sure that people can use your website on a mobile device. Another is speed, making sure your website is loading properly. In terms of speed, you definitely want to use images that are compressed in a small size. And so if you're taking a photo out of a camera like I'm using right now, it's going to be a massive image. But if you can go and compress the size of that and you can reduce the size, then when you upload it to your web builder, it's not going to be as large. And in terms of the mobile experience, if you're using a web builder, they are going to make sure that your mobile experience is great. And so that's another reason to use a web builder. Web builders are much more SEO friendly. If you're using a developer, they're going to be spending hours to do that SEO stuff, whereas you could just get it for a quick monthly price of a web builder. Finally, on SEO, it's just important to track it. Take a look at it every once in a while and see if there are any issues, and you will learn. All right, that's it for SEO. Let's move on.